Bonjour Katu, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. Today we are going to learn about the vocabulary of the countries in French. We have already covered the vocabulary of the days of the week, the months of the year, seasons, directions, animals, birds and insects. I'm sharing the link over here. Kindly visit the video and learn the vocabulary. So, how do we say the countries in French? We say les pays. Les pays. The general rule is that the countries which end with E in French are generally considered feminine. However, there are few exceptions. We will talk about the exceptions. The first country is India. I'll give the names of the countries first, then the pronunciation. This is written as and France, Australie, Afrique, Belgique, England is Angleterre, Germany is Allemagne, Spain is España, Japan is Japon, Canada is written in the same way and the pronunciation is different. Canada, Canada, that is the pronunciation. Italy, Brazil, Switzerland is Swiss, Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka. So the pronunciations are and France, Australie, Afrique, Belgique, Belgium is Belgique, England is Angleterre, Germany is Almania, Almania, Spania, Spain is Spania, Japan is Japon, Canada is Canada, Italy is Italy, Brazil is written as this, Brazil, Swiss, Sri Lanka. So these are the pronunciations and France, Australie, Afrique, Belgique, Angleterre, Allemagne, Espagne, Japon, Canada, Canada, Italy, Brazil, Swiss, Sri Lanka. Now notice one thing about this particular rule. All the countries which end with E in French. India is written as and. You will see E over here in France, Australie, Belgique, Afrique and Belgique, Angleterre, Allemagne, Espagne. These all are feminine countries. Italy, Swiss. All of these are feminine countries. Japan and Canada are masculine countries, along with Brazil, Brazil and Sri Lanka. These are masculine countries. Now, there are some exceptions to this. The first exception is Mozambique. It is ending with E. It is written as Mozambique in the same manner in French. Here it is ending with E. Pronunciation we all know. Mozambique. This is a masculine country, even though it is ending with a E in French. The second one is Zimbabwe. In French, it is written as the same manner as it is written in English, but the pronunciation is different. Zimbabwe. This is the pronunciation. Zimbabwe. The third one is Zer. In French, we write it as Zer. I has two dots. This is Lexon Trema. I have shared, I'm sharing the link over here. Kindly go and watch the videos, how and where it is used. Generally, Rexothrema is used when the two vowels are pronounced differently, separately. J, J, I is pronounced as E. Jayek. This is the pronunciation. So these three are exceptions, that these three are ending with E in French, and even then these are masculine countries. So now I'm going to discuss about the plural countries. So the first country is the USA. It is written as Les États-Unis d'Amérique. Pronunciation is Les États-Unis d'Amérique. This is the pronunciation, d'Amérique. Les États-Unis d'Amérique. The second one is United Arab Emirates. Les. Wait a second. Lexon aigu. This is Lexon circumflex. This is Lexon aigu. Emirates Arab Zuni. This is pronounced as Le Zemira Zehab Zuni. The pronunciations are a bit tricky for the plural countries. Netherlands Le Pays-Bas. Les Pays-Bas. Caribbean or the West Indies. This is the West Indies. Les Zontia. Because of the liaison rule, S will get connected with this A. Les Zontia. This is the pronunciation. Philippines. Les Philippine. So these are the plural countries which I wanted to discuss. The first three, the USA, Netherlands, and UAE are masculine plural countries, and the last two, that is Caribbean and Philippines, are feminine plural. In the next video, we will be doing the vocabulary of the continents and also discuss some of the exercises related to the country and the continents. We will also be discussing the prepositions which are going to be used, which are often used with respect to the countries, states, cities, continents, etc. And please keep on watching the upcoming lectures. This is all for today. Kindly like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel, Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon for getting all the future updates. A très bientôt.